Hey guys, today we're going to make some really simple, delicious, fluffy dinner rolls using some basic baking ingredients. Let's go. Let's start by preparing the dough. We're going to first put in half a cup of milk. That's at room temperature. 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon of yeast. I have 1 egg, also at room temperature. 3.5 tablespoons of butter. Come on. Okay. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now let's just mix this all together. Still a few chunkaroos of butter, that's okay. Let's add our flour. 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour going in. Now let's just give this a mix. Starting to get pretty clumpy. Supposedly, it's going to get real sticky. Okay, let's get our mitts in there. Really sticky stuff. Now we have to knead this for 3 to 5 minutes. Right now it's pretty flaky, as you can see, but we're supposed to get a nice smooth ball. Come on, gluten, do your job. Does anyone get joy from actually kneading dough? Yeah, not me. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of water. This is gonna make our dough softer. Just give this a few more kneads. Finally, we got our nice ball here. If you poke it, it should bounce back. I think we're done. So I'm just gonna roll it out and then portion it. Now let's portion it. I'm gonna cover this with a damp towel so that the dough doesn't dry out while I shape them. What I'm doing next is I'm gonna flatten the dough and then I'm gonna pinch the outsides towards the center and then give it a nice roll with the hands and shape him into nice balls. Voila. I wonder if these juggle well. Bad idea. Let's not do that. Gonna ruin my rolls. All done. And the unveiling of the balls. Okay, I'm just gonna set these guys in my dish here. I'm just gonna use this just to proof my dough here. Just gonna cover this and we're going to let this proof for an hour. Okay, we're back. It's been an hour. The dough is finished proofing. They look okay. Gonna preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Next, we're going to make a quick egg and milk mixture. This is going to give our buns a nice golden brown color and shine. 1 egg and about 1 tablespoon's worth of milk. Let's give that a nice whisk. Yeah, I think that's good. All right, let's place these on our sheet. Let's brush this milk and egg mixture on top of these buns or dough. It's gonna turn into buns. All right, let's put these in the oven, 18 to 20 minutes. Hey, interesting. I don't know if they're gonna be as fluffy as they're supposed to be, but hey, homemade bread, right? Like, it's still gonna be delicious. Anything homemade is better, right? Let's try them out. Smells good. Ooh. Hey! Actually, the inside, although very hot and burning my fingers every time I touch it, seems to be nice and fluffy. Here, let's try this piece. Good. The outer surface has like a biscuit-like texture, and the inside is fluffy and delicious, just as you'd expect a dinner roll to be. On second thought, rather than a dinner roll, I'm gonna call this a dinner biscuit. The crunch on the outside and the soft center, that's great. That's way better than a dinner roll. Dinner biscuits, everyone. Check out these other great recipe videos and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for your support and we'll see you next time.